English Advanced Vocabulary 4. CSS and PMS Exam. Part 6. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 101. Daub, verb make dirty. Synonyms, deface, smear. Antonyms, cleanse, purify. Sentence, they daubed his home with slogans. 102. Daunt, verb discourage. Synonyms, frighten, scare. Antonyms, encourage, inspire. Sentence, nothing evil could daunt them. 103. Debauch, verb deprave. Synonyms, corrupt, defile. Antonyms, defend, clean. Sentence, Faison wanted to debauch his friend but he failed. 104. Debonair, adjective charming. Synonyms, affable, elegant. Antonyms, awkward, inelegant. Sentence, Danish is a handsome and debonair boy although he is not interested in modeling. 105. Decamp, verb depart suddenly. Synonyms, evacuate, escape. Antonyms, arrive, enter. Sentence, a child planned to decamp but his mother caught him at the door. 106. Decorous, adjective suitable. Synonyms, polite, sedate. Antonyms, impolite, indecent. Sentence, we all should behave in a decorous manner. 107. Decoy, noun trap. Synonyms, attraction, inducement. Antonyms, honesty, frankness. Sentence, he acted as a decoy to draw the dog's attention away from the children. 108. Redundant, adjective excessive, repetitious. Synonyms, superfluous, unnecessary. Antonyms, necessary, essential. Sentence, the programmer deleted the redundant line of code that added no value to the software program. 109. Supple, adjective flexible. Synonyms, pliant, stretchable. Antonyms, stiff, rigid. Sentence, Paul was incredibly supple and strong. 110. Surreptitious, adjective secret. Synonyms, underhand, private. Antonyms, open, clear. Sentence, they had several surreptitious conversations. 111. Sycophant, noun flatterer. Synonyms, polisher, leech. Antonyms, master, dictator. Sentence, whatever Farhan says about his boss can't be believed because he is a sycophant. 112. Inebriated, adjective drunk. Synonyms, intoxicated, boozy. Antonyms, sober, straight. Sentence, the inebriated partygoers were very loud. 113. Sumptuous, adjective magnificent. Synonyms, splendid, deluxe. Antonyms, plain, cheap. Sentence, they live in sumptuous surroundings. 114. Supercilious, adjective arrogant. Synonyms, haughty, egotistic. Antonyms, humble, meek. Sentence, Sohail is a supercilious boy. 115. Strenuous, adjective arduous. Synonyms, laborious, burdensome. Antonyms, effortless, half-hearted. Sentence, this is a better advice for you that you should avoid strenuous exercise in the evening. 116. Incarcerate, verb imprison. Synonyms, jail, captive. Antonyms, free, give liberty. Sentence, it can cost Rs. 50,000 to incarcerate a prisoner for a year. 117. Incipient, adjective starting. Synonyms, beginning, inceptive. Antonyms, final, mature. Sentence, there were signs of incipient panic. 118. Taint, verb disgrace. Synonyms, shame, dishonor. Antonyms, respect, honor. Sentence, the celebrities were tainted by the media. 119. Tantalize, verb torture. Synonyms, frustrate, tease. Antonyms, please, encourage. Sentence, when Ahmed had joined the college he was tantalized there. 120. Traduce, verb defame. Synonyms, denigrate, malign. Antonyms, glorify, honor. Sentence, we shouldn't traduce anyone by saying something wrong. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.